Show me a hat.
Black.
Is that a hat?
Yeah.
Show me a skirt.
Black. Skirt.
Skirt. Show me a jacket.
Black.
That's a jacket?
Yeah.
Show me a bib. Is that a bib? Show me shoes. Show me a cape. A jacket? No. What is it? What is it?
Towel.
It's a towel? I didn't know that. Go give it to Remy. Does Remy need a towel?
No.
Remy, come here. Remy, do you need a jacket? He's right there. Does Remy need a towel?
No.
You want to see?
Yeah.